You changed my paper. This is not what I wrote.
Your English is bad, that's why I corrected your baluktot English.
You are so yabang!
Ikaw ba ay nalulungkot?
Dakum, boys don't talk to girls like that.
Kung sukang-suka ka na dito, edi bumalik ka sa bansa mo.
He insulted me.
Batugan daw tayo at pa-easy-easy lang.
Totoo naman yung sinasabi nito eh.
Kahit na.
At hindi siya cute.
Papadeport ko siya.
I don't ever want to see him again. I hate him.
Daisy!
Kaibigan ko.
Daisy! Babay na ulo! Kain lang ako, sandali lang ako. Pwede? Sorry ah. Pasensya ka na doon sa mga nasabi ko ah.
Sorry also.
What if two people so unlike
Right now, I know for certain I'm feeling
fall
right
in
now.
love?
Ryan, are you there? Surprise!
Daisy, nasa bathroom ako.
Alam ko. Surprise ka? It's okay. I'll just wait for you here. I'm okay here. Are you okay there?
It can't be crazy.
This be love I'm feeling right now.
Gusto na rin yung cellphone ko.
You and I are talking. No cell phones, okay?
Okay.
Very good.
And so confusing.
Girlfriend mo? Hindi po. Friend lang na girl.
Friend only.
Wala lang. Sa 30 minutos ka na dyan nagte-text.
So, is it worth it?
Ikaw, Daisy, gusto mo ba ng Filipino na boyfriend?
I have to ask my father.
Why?
It's like that.
Ang
We have traditions.
Pero, meron din tayong decisions. Just have to know yourself.
How can you know yourself without traditions?
I know what I feel.
그래, 꼭 아버지께 말씀드려.
So, kung ayaw sa akin ng pamilya mo, iiwan mo rin ako. Daisy, hindi tayo pwede. Iba ka, iba ako.
I do not understand. Speak English.
Nasa Pilipinas tayo kaya magtatagalog ako hanggat gusto ko.
Hay, nako. Sinong iniiyakan mo?
Kayo talaga mga bata kayo? Bakit niyo ba sinasaktan ang inyong mga sarili?
This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. It's the first time I ever felt so helpless.
When you keep asking, can this be true?
Say 1,000 times, I'll tell you once again. This is the first time I'm gonna say
And your heart keeps saying, you found forever.
this is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. It's the first time I ever felt so
Then it must be true love.
Baka kasi may makakita sa atin.
Okay na.
This is the first time. This is the first time.
Sige, good night.
Can This Be Love? Written and directed by Jose Javier Reyes.
Krum-krum ka rin pala eh.
Krum-krum?
Oo!
Ah, yes! Krum-krum!